Hello friends, back to my channel Biological Tips. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe this channel. So friends, we have to continue transportation circulation part 2. Let's start it. Now today we are going to start about blood vessels. Already we learned about blood, everything, blood groups, everything. Now blood clotting, now blood vessels. So I have an analogy for you people. See, now if suppose you have to imagine that there is a building, okay. Now to a building we will have a fresh water pipe. There will be two pipes, one bringing fresh water to the building and other taking away the wastewater after the building use it for washing everything. See, fresh water enters into the building. Residents will use it for washing, in washrooms they will use in their kitchen. And whatever the waste are there, it won't go back in through that pipe. It will go through another pipe will be there, that is wastewater pipe. It's the same. Here fresh water pipe is acting as artery, building is our organs, and wastewater pipe are the veins. Okay. See, when we take in oxygen, arteries will carry the oxygen. Our organs, in our organs, respiration will take place and it changes to CO2. And this CO2 will be expelling out through our wastewater pipe, that is our vein. So arteries carry the pure blood, we can say oxygen rich blood, oxygenated blood, and the veins carries impure blood, that is CO2 rich blood, okay, deoxygenated blood. And blood vessels are nothing but the pipes in which the fluid blood flows. Now let us see. Every organ has an artery and vein. सारे organs को artery होती है और vein होती है. Example is lungs, kidney, heart. ठीक है. Organ use oxygen for breaking down of food to produce energy. इसको हम oxidation भी बोलते हैं. Oxidation होता है ताकि और ब्रेक कर सके हम फूड को एनर्जी रिलीज करने के लिए. उसका नतीजा एज अ रिजल्ट CO2 is produced and pushed by organ into the blood and is thrown out through vein. तो जो CO2 जो निकलता है, प्रोड्यूस होता है, वह वेस्ट मटेरियल, बॉडी को ज़रूरत नहीं है CO2 की. तो ऑर्गन क्या करता है, ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ करके CO2 प्रोड्यूस करता है और ब्लड में वापस भेज देता है वेन के थ्रू. ठीक है. इन ऑर्गन वेयर एक्सचेंज टेक्स प्लेस इज द कैपिलरीज. Capillaries are also known as exchange sites. Example, villi and myoids alveoli. ठीक है. Now कुछ keywords हैं. Arteries, vessels which carry blood from heart to various organs of body. ये वो blood vessels हैं जो heart से दूसरे organs को लेके जाती हैं blood. Oxygenated blood रहता है. Veins क्या हैं? They collect blood from different parts of the body and pour it into heart. वो दूसरे बॉडी से इकट्ठा करती हैं खून और हार्ट के अंदर डालती हैं. whereas arteries क्या करती हैं, हार्ट से लेती हैं और दूसरे ऑर्गन्स तक पहुंचाती हैं. कैपिलरीज, these are the smallest blood vessel. ठीक है, that much only. These are the smallest blood vessel. This point is not correct actually. These are the smallest blood vessels. यहाँ पर ज़्यादा चेंज होता है. ओके. In arteries we have arterioles, that is oxygen carrying, and in veins we have venules, that is CO2 carriage. एक और टर्म है pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery कौन सी है? This is only artery carrying CO2 rich blood. All the arteries, सारे arteries क्या carry करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन carry करते हैं. But pulmonary is the only and only artery which can carry CO2 blood. ठीक है. और pulmonary vein क्या है? सारे veins deoxygenated blood कैरी करते हैं CO2 rich, but pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries oxygen rich blood. ठीक है. अब valves, what are valves? These prevent backflow of blood. These are flap like structures able to open only in one direction. valves क्या हैं? देखो, अगर veins में अगर ये valves नहीं रहेंगे तो blood ऐसा जाएगा और कुछ वजह से रिवर्स भी ले सकता है. अगर रिवर्स लेगा तो वापस आर्टरीज में जा सकता है, ऑर्गन्स में जा सकता है. तो ये गलत है ना, क्योंकि वेन्स में ऑल वेस्ट मटेरियल CO2 होता है. अगर उसको वापस अगर ऑर्गन्स में जाएगा तो इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़ और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो सकती हैं. इसलिए हमारे वेन्स में वाल्व्स होते हैं, वो सिर्फ एक ही साइड को ओपन होते हैं, एक ही साइड जाते हैं. फिर से रिवर्स नहीं हो सकता। आर्टरीज़ में क्या होता है, आर्टरीज़ में वाल्व्स नहीं रहते हैं। क्यों रहेंगे वाल्व्स आर्टरीज़ में? अगर ब्लड इधर से उधर हुआ भी तो कुछ नुकसान नहीं है, मगर वेन्स में हैं, क्योंकि वेन्स इम्प्योर ब्लड लेके जाता है। अगर वो प्योरिटी के साइड चले जाएगा तो फिर गलत हो जाएगा, इसलिए वाल्व सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेन्स में रहते हैं, कैपिलरीज और आर्टरीज में नहीं रहते। So now we are going to start with the major differences between various blood vessels, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. तो ये टेबल है जो मैंने है ये लिखा हुआ टेबल। Okay, just 1 minute. See, this is the table, overall table. Okay, now I'll explain one by one. See, coming to the feature, direction of flow. Artery carry blood from heart to different parts of body. Veins carry blood towards heart from body parts, and capillaries carry blood from arterioles to venules. उतना ही काम है। फिर दूसरा फीचर है काइंड ऑफ ब्लड। आर्टरी में ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड होता है एक्सेप्ट पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, मेंशन करना है क्योंकि पल्मोनरी आर्टरी इज द ओनली आर्टरी विच कैन कैरी दी ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड। वेन्स CO2 रिच ब्लड कैरी करते हैं एक्सेप्ट पल्मोनरी वेन। कैपिलरीज ब्लड गेट्स एक्सचेंज्ड फ्रॉम O2 टू CO2। अब ब्लड प्रेशर, आर्टरीज में प्रेशर हाई होता है, वेन्स में प्रेशर इज लो, and capillaries pressure is extremely low so that maximum exchange can take place. Now fourth feature is lumen, that is our diameter. In arteries we have narrow, in veins we have wide, and in capillaries the diameter is very small. Coming to the next is valves. In arteries it is absent, in veins it is present, and again in capillaries it is absent. Now location. In arteries are mostly steep-seated, veins are mostly superficial, and capillaries form a network all over the body. Okay, all over the body and in organs. Now let us see the blood circulation around our body. I have made a small flow chart. Now this box, you should think it as our heart. Okay, in our heart we have total of 4 chambers. These are the upper 2 chambers and these are the lower 2 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are right atrium, left atrium. Lower 2 chambers are right ventricle and left ventricle. This box is actually a heart. Okay, think it as a heart. इसको heart समझो। ऊपर 2 chambers और नीचे 2 chambers. Okay, ऊपर के 2 right atrium, left atrium, नीचे के 2 right ventricle, left ventricle. Total of 4 chambers we have. हम लोग ह्यूमन के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं इसलिए 4 चेम्बर्ड हार्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। मैंने यहाँ पर लंग्स लिखा है, देखो लंग्स में अब यू आर टेकिंग इन ऑक्सीजन, हम ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं ब्रीथ करने की वजह से हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं, हमारे लंग्स ऑक्सीजन से फिल्ड हैं। अब हमारा ब्लड, वो ऑक्सीजन क्या होता है, ब्लड में जंप हो जाता है, ब्लड में चले जाता है, इट गोज इन टू द ब्लड, ऑक्सीजन गोज इन टू द ब्लड एंड नाउ थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन. Remember, the blood is oxygenated right now. So it is going by pulmonary vein. You will say that vein carries only deoxygenate, but I said pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood. So from lungs through pulmonary vein, the oxygenated blood goes to left atrium and then it goes to left ventricle. Here also in left atrium it was oxygenated. In left ventricle also it's oxygenated. Now from left ventricle through aorta. Aorta is an artery. It is the largest artery. Okay. Through left ventricle, through aorta, from left ventricle it goes to our body parts. Aorta are having branch-like structures so that blood can go to many parts. Okay. Now through aorta it goes to all the body parts. All our body parts will use oxygen in their releasing energy, everything, and then they produce CO2. Now from here what is happening, now the blood is deoxygenated, it is carrying CO2 with it. From body what is happening, the blood is deoxygenated, now it goes to right atrium through vena cava. Vena cava is a vein which carries deoxygenated blood. Correct, veins carry deoxygenated blood. Now vena cava is carrying deoxygenated blood, and what is vena cava? It is the largest vein. Aorta is the largest artery, vena cava is the largest vein. And now from body it goes to right atrium through vena cava. From right atrium, it is CO2 rich. It goes to right ventricle. Then from right ventricle again it goes back to our lungs through pulmonary artery, the only artery which carries the oxygenated blood. Clear? Now between left atrium and left ventricle we have bicuspid valve, means two flaps. Okay, these are two flaps. Bi means two flaps. Here in tricuspid we have three flaps, tricuspid valve between right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, now this was whole our heart. Now in our heart what is happening? Our blood is entering into heart once and leaving the heart and going to all the body parts. Then again it is entering into the heart. So in one cycle the blood is going through the heart twice. So we say it as double circulation. Okay. In one cycle the blood is going into our heart two times. That is why we say it as double circulation. Once from lungs it is entering, and through body it is again leaving for body. Again from body it is entering, and for lungs it is leaving. So two times it is going in one cycle. Aorta is the largest artery. Vena cava is the largest vein. Now I said vena cava is the largest vein, right? Vena cava is divided into two, superior and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava, they take blood from upper parts of the body, and inferior vena cava take the blood from lower parts of the body. So this was this video of total of 10 minutes. I'll be making again part 3 afterwards, okay? So however part 3 is gonna come very soon. Till that time, bye. Like, comment and do share this, and please do comment and like this video. Thank you.